After the rush to get vaccinated, the number of shots going into arms plateaued in July. And now all eyes on businesses, which experts say could help sway tens of millions of unvaccinated Americans that are eligible for a shot but still on the fence.
The differences between businesses acting and not acting right now is millions and millions of people. And I would dare say probably an end to this curve we're on with Delta.
The list of companies with some sort of requirement is growing. Facebook and New York's MTA among the latest making them mandatory for employees or requiring regular testing. Equinox and Broadway theaters will also require both workers and patrons get a shot. Walmart, America's biggest employer, is also requiring them, but only for corporate employees, a fraction of its nearly 1.6 million person workforce. That means frontline workers are exempt from the mandate. Uber has a similar policy. Office workers will be required. Rideshare drivers will not.
The most important thing that can happen now would be the business community stepping forward and saying, if you're going to be in our place of business, you're going to be vaccinated or have a good reason not to and show a negative test.
But for many businesses, the FDA's full approval is key.
They're going to say, once we get full authorization for the use of this vaccine, you're going to do it or you won't be able to work here.
A green light many are waiting for as cases grow by the day. Stephanie Rule, NBC News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.